Chilling and dangerous. That's how a Michigan judge described the impact of that state's 1931 abortion ban that he blocked today, meaning that for now, abortion will remain legal in Michigan and health care providers will be protected from prosecution. Now, the 1931 law, quote, makes almost all abortions a felony with no exemptions for rape or incest, allowing it only in the vaguely defined instances where abortion is necessary to preserve the life of the mother. Abortion providers and people who use medication to self-manage an abortion could face up to 4 years in prison, according to the Washington Post. Now, today, the judge seemed to scold the prosecutors who were seeking to enforce that 1931 ban.
Weaponizing the criminal law against providers to force pregnancy on our state's women is simply contrary to notions of due process, equal protection, and bodily autonomy. By not issuing an injunction today, the court would send the healthcare system into crisis, the extreme cost of which would then be put on the women of our great state and not lost on the court without any repercussion for the men who, without a doubt, are a necessary component to create a pregnancy.
But the judge concluded with an important point, and that is that Michigan voters should ultimately decide the fate of abortion rights through an initiative that is likely to appear on the ballot in November. Joining us now is Allison Donahue, reporter at Michigan Advance, where she covers education and women and LGBTQ issues. Allison, thanks for being with us tonight. I just want to I wanted to let the viewer know what I've said when I said it'll likely be on the ballot. They collected more than enough signatures to get the ballot measure on, but something's happening right now that is adding a little confusion to the matter.
Yeah, thanks for having me, first of all. The challenges for the ballot initiatives were submitted today, and one group challenged the Reproductive Freedom for All initiative because of a line spacing issue and the text of or the language of the proposal.
Line spacing issue?
Yeah, some of the words were squeezed together. Just clearly a spacing issue happened with the printer, but that's what's being challenged.
Wow. OK, so let's assume that the ballot measure gets onto the ballot. This stuff that the judge did today, putting the stay into place, that doesn't outlive the ballot then, right? He's basically saying this is for the people of Michigan to decide, and then whatever happens on November 8th then supersedes this stay, or the stay expires.
Yeah, so this stay is in place just while there are some abortion access lawsuits going through the courts right now through litigation. So this stay will be in place until litigation is settled, which it's unclear exactly when that will happen in Michigan Supreme Court. But then again, however the voters decide in November could make the law moot anyway.
Yeah, so that right. So I guess it becomes very important to Michigan voters to understand that the right to an abortion continues today in Michigan, but could end on November 8th if this doesn't go a certain way. Allison, thanks for joining us tonight. Thanks for your reporting. Allison Donahue.